Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of I'm Not a Chef, but I Can Cook. Today I'm attempting to bake fish pie for the first time. Let's dive right in. Already I boiled and deboned my fish. Sorry, I forgot to show that part. I seasoned it to my liking and fried until it was completely dry and it was a little bit brown. You can just season yours to your taste. So I filtered my flour. It's not as if there was any dirt, but I just had to do it. Next, I'll add a pinch of nutmeg and a pinch of salt, and of course, some baking powder. This is very, very important. Adding baking powder and my Simmers butter. You see the Simmers butter part is super important. After adding the butter, I'll mix everything together until it started forming crumbs. You can see how it's looking in the video. Honestly guys, this is the hard part of it all. So after that, I'll add in my eggs and I'll keep mixing because we have to mix it well to avoid the dough having lumps and all that. So like I said earlier, this is the most difficult part of it. I mixed to an extent my shoulder was hurting me, and this is my first time. So I'll add in my milk. You can use either liquid milk or powdered milk. Just mix with water. After adding the milk, I'll continue mixing until the dough came together. After that, I covered it for at least an hour. Usually people prep their dough the night before, but I'm doing it now since it's just homemade. So I don't have a rolling board, so I'm making do with what I have. I added flour to the dough and the surface to keep it from sticking while I roll it out. Then I spread the dough over my fish cutter. After rolling, I'll roll both sides. I'll roll out both sides. Then I'll spread the dough over my fish cutter. I'll add my filling. I'll add as much as I want. Then I'll remove the excess dough with this cutter. There's no need for the traditional folding method. So this fish pie cutter made it easy for me. So I already buttered my baking pan, so I placed the pies on it while I worked on the rest, repeating the same steps. So next I used a fork to poke holes in the pies to let the steam escape and cook properly. After that, I brushed each pie with egg wash for that golden finish. And okay, I preheated my oven on low heat and baked the pies for around 30 to 40 minutes. I wasn't exactly timing, but I think 30 minutes is a good estimate. And finally, my fish pies are ready. So what do you think? Rate me from 1 to 10. How did I do? Bye.